'Tis the season for everyone to get sick, so let me show you 3 products on Amazon that you need to buy to help you and your family save some money. If there was ever a Dayquil Dupe, here it is right here. I have been using this for years. This is a multi-symptom. Look, it looks exactly like Dayquil because it has the exact same ingredients in it. Favorite feature, if you guys have ever had Dayquil, you know those pouches that when you're sick and you're trying to rip it? No, you don't have to do that. You just dump it in your hand. They are literally the exact same size and color. You get 48 pills for $8.50 as opposed to 48 pills of Dayquil for $17. It has 325 milligrams of acetaminophen, that's for fever, 10 milligrams of dextromethorphan, which is to suppress your cough, and 5 milligrams phenylephrine. Guys, I'm not a doctor. I don't know how to pronounce these things, but that's a decongestant. When I tell you that when I found this, because you guys, it's flu season, nobody's trying to feel a mess. They're easy to swallow. Anybody above the age of 12 can use them. This is a Dayquil Dupe that my family swears by. Product number 2. Let's say that you are on the mend and you're feeling a little better, but you know that pesky cough that never seems to go away and you have to use Robitussin? This is a Robitussin Dupe. They have Robitussin liquid and Robitussin pills. By the way, this is non-drowsy. This is also for 12 and up. Robitussin is $13 for 20 pills. This is $10 for 60 pills. And guys, it works exactly the same. It is 8-hour cough relief. If you have a nagging cough, you know what I'm talking about. These things, they work so well. Also non-drowsy, no taste, tiny, easy to swallow, and they have the same exact ingredients. It's 15 milligrams of dextromethorphan. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's the same thing that this has in it, but this only has 10 milligrams and this has 15. Absolutely love this product. Robitussin Dupe, 100%. Guys, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Now let's get back to the video. And last but not least is the Goodbaby no-touch thermometer, which if you've had any of the old style thermometers, then you know what I'm talking about. Guys, this is fantastic. You don't have to touch anybody. You turn it on, point it at your skin. 1 second later, there's the temperature. And here are a couple of my favorite features. It has a mute button. So say you have a sick baby or a sleeping person and you want to monitor their fever, but you don't want to wake them up, just turn that on. And then instead of having to write it down and keep track of it, you just press memory. It recalls like the last 20 or 30 times that you've taken their temperature. Then my personal favorite feature, if it's within normal range, it'll turn green. If it's in a warning zone, it'll turn yellow. And if it's in a, hey, this is kind of a dangerous temperature zone, it'll turn red. So even in the dark, you can see this very bright LCD screen. I mean, there's nothing not to love about this. So guys, these are the 3 products that this household would never go into cold and flu season without, and I thought I'd share. Flu season happens to sit right on top of holiday season, which is already so expensive. So save yourself some time and money and grab these things. They work, they're inexpensive. Them before everybody else starts stocking up on Amazon, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.